December 20, 1968, Vallejo, California. Two teens, si David Faraday, 17, and Betty Lou Jensen, 16. Bagong couple sila. First date pa lang nila. And they parked along Lake Herman Road para mag-relax and chill. So, sobrang innocent. Pero hindi nila alam, may nakatingin na pala sa kanila. So, around 10:15 p.m., may dumaan na sasakyan. Nagpark sa likod nila. May lalaking bumaba, hindi sila kinakausap. Tapos, biglang, si David, binaril point blank sa ulo. Si Betty Lou, tinangka niyang tumakbo. Pero binaril siya 5 times sa likod. Tegi pareho on the spot. Walang fingerprints, walang witnesses. No signs of robbery or assault. Just pure cold-blooded murder. So, 4th of July, 1969, American Independence Day. Si Michael Mago, 19, and Darlene Ferrin, 22, were chilling inside their parked car sa Blue Rock Springs. Kakatapos lang ng fireworks. So, akala nila romantic night lang.